What up guys, Digital Slang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a gaming chair. This is from GTRacing. Now shout out to GTRacing, they did send this to me to check out and review, but not a paid review. You will see this before they do. But overall, look, I've never had a gaming chair. This is my first one. I do have a bad back and I was missing out. I had no idea they were this comfortable. This does have two pillows. It has a footrest. It reclines where I'm almost completely upside down. Very comfortable and priced right. So we're going to check it out. There is a Labor Day sale going on right now, as well as you can get another $15 off with the coupon code DIGITAL in checkout. So I'll drop all the links below. But again, this guy right here, this is the all black version. And of course, it does come in a bunch of colors with a bunch of different options. I'm going to take you through the whole process, the packaging, what it came in, the experience of putting it together, and then the pros and cons. We'll talk about it. I'll show you guys everything that I went through getting this thing set up and just how much I love it. So again, not a sponsored video, but it might sound like one because I really do enjoy this chair. So let's check it out, the GTRacing chair.
Guys, right out of the box, at first it might seem a little overwhelming, lots of parts that need to be put together, but once you get into it and lay everything out, and you start to go over the instruction manuals, very easy, very smooth. They give you everything right out of the box to put together. You do not need any other tools except for what they provide. And right away, once you start putting it together, you start to notice how good quality this chair is. It is a PU leather, and of course they give you the added seat cushion. They give you the extra lumbar pillow and the headrest pillows for added support, and that really helps for people with a bad back like myself. So I'm very pleased with how comfortable this chair is. And of course, you do have all the tools right out of the box. They give you all the screws, all the caps you need, the Allen wrench. You don't need anything else, and the assembly instructions are probably the best instructions I've ever seen putting together a product. Very simple. They go through everything step by step. And overall, it's just a very good experience from start to finish, from unboxing to assembly. Very easy. Again, they supply you with everything because once you lay everything out, at first it is a little overwhelming. I've never put together a chair like this. I've never had to put together a chair before, but very easy. Again, they provide everything. And top-notch quality. Everything is first class here with GTRacing. Smooth PU leather. And again, they added the seat cushion, the lumbar support, and the lumbar, the pillow. You can move that up and down wherever you want to put it on the chair. And again, you do get the retractable footrest as well. And the armrest and the seat, it's all height adjustable. 90 to 170 inches as far as reclining goes. And you do get the 360-degree swivel, the 6-point base with the heavy-duty wheels. So overall, a very good experience. You have the levers on the side to go up and down, the other lever to recline, and then you get the armrest to go down and up as well. Overall, this GTRacing chair, the GT901 in black, right now it's $176.99. There is a Labor Day sale. And again, you can also get $15 off if you use the coupon code DIGITAL at checkout. Very pleased with this product, I do have to say. And we're going to take a look. We're going to jump in, go on their website, and just take a look around really quick and see. You can see here they do have the Labor Day sale. And if we go in, and GTRacing.com is the actual website. And once we go down, we check out the Pro Series. They do have all kinds of different chairs. They have gaming chairs with stereo speakers in them. And again, 20% off. You get the extra discount code GT20 for Labor Day. And it is still going on right now as we speak. And once you go in, you see the gaming chair. This is the Pro Series. Again, all kinds of different colors. Some, like the white version, are sold out, but here is the black one that I did pick up. And again, they did send this to me, but not a sponsored video, so you will see this before they do. And once you go in, you can see it is $176.99. And you can see here, you see the footrest, you see the pillows, the design, the overall quality of it. It's just very high class. And you can see how far it reclines. And it reclines that far, but you can even go back further. Once you lay back, you kind of do go inverted slightly, but overall very comfortable. I could definitely fall asleep in this chair. And again, the armrest and the seat height adjustment, 360-degree swivel, thick padded seat, and it is very comfortable. And this is coming from somebody with a bad back, and it does support up to 330 pounds. So you get free shipping, you get the extra discount. Now, I'm not sure if you can combine the extra Labor Day discount with the digital code for the $15 off, but you can try that at checkout. Up to 2-year extended GTRacing warranty, which you can pick up. And overall, look, very pleased. Again, lots and lots of options. A luxury series, a music series with speakers, a pro series, keyboards, mouse pads. They offer tons and tons of different options of products you can buy. But overall, very pleased with the product. All right, guys, this is the gaming chair from GTRacing. If I had to pick something apart that I didn't like, it might be the armrests here. Now, as far as comfort, when I'm gaming, they're perfect, right? The height, the width, they are perfect. But when I'm on the computer, I really can't rest my arms on these because they're just a little too wide. I'm like this and trying to type where your elbow is out. When you're typing on a computer or a keyboard, your elbows are a little more in, I should say. So if they had some adjustments where I can move them in, then I would really love this chair and think it was perfect. But if I had to pick something apart, that would be the one thing. These are a little too wide, in my opinion. Perfect for gaming, which is what the chair is meant for. But if you are using it at a desk, you're not going to be able to rest your elbows on the armrest while you are typing. So just keep that in mind. But overall, build quality, comfort, ease of use, and ease of assembly are top notch, in my opinion. So overall, very pleased with my first product into the gaming chair world. GTRacing, guys. Check it out. I'll drop all the links below. I hope everyone's having a good day. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace.